स्वराष्ट्र स्मार्ट स्टडी या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टीच 7th English medium, 7th class English medium, and in that mathematics we will learn today in mathematics one chapter geometrical constructions. Let's start geometrical construction angle bisector.
Chapter 1
Chapter 1
Geometrical Constructions. Let's recall. In previous classes, we have learnt about the line segment, angle bisector, etc. We measure an angle in degrees. If angle ABC measures 40 degrees, we can write it as small m angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees. This means measure of angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees. Angle bisector. Friends, you can see this figure of angle ABC alongside. An angle bisector divides an angle into two equal parts. Now tell me, is ray BM the bisector of angle ABC? Yes, the ray BM is bisector of angle ABC. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Draw a line segment PS of length 4 cm and draw its perpendicular bisector. Name it as line CD. How will you verify that CD is the perpendicular bisector? Yes, measure of angle CMS is equal to 90 degrees. Length of PM is equal to length of SM. Is it true? Yes, that's true. So this proves that line CD is the perpendicular bisector of line segment PS. The property of the angle bisectors of a triangle. Let's learn. Activity. Friends, draw any triangle PQR. Use a compass to draw the bisectors of all the three of its angles. Extend the bisectors if necessary so that they intersect one another. These three bisectors pass through the same point. That is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence I. Note that the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Now draw perpendiculars IA, IB and IC respectively from I onto the sides of the triangle PQ, QR and PR. Measure the lengths of these perpendiculars. You would note that IA is equal to IB, which is equal to IC. The property of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. Use a ruler to draw an acute angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of this triangle. Note that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence C. Measure the distance between C and the vertices of the triangle. You would note that CX is equal to CY, which is equal to CZ. Observe the location of the point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisectors. The point of concurrence of the acute angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Now use a ruler to draw an obtuse angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of this triangle. Note that the perpendicular bisectors of the sides are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence as C. Now measure the distance between C and the vertices of the triangle. you would note that Cx is equal to Cy, which is equal to Cz. Observe the location of the point of concurrence of the perpendicular bisectors. The point of concurrence of the obtuse angled triangle is in the exterior of the triangle. Something more. 1. The angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the incenter and is shown by the letter capital I. 2. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the circumcenter and is shown by the letter capital C. Let's solve practice set 1. Question number 1. Draw line segments of the lengths given below and draw their perpendicular bisectors. 1. 5.3 centimeters. First, let us draw the line segment AB of length 5.3 centimeters. Now let's take more than half distance of the length of line segment in compass. Keep the steel point of compass on point A and draw two arcs on each side of the segment AB, like this. Now keeping the same distance in compass and placing the steel point on B, draw two arcs to cut the previous arcs. Now let us name the point of intersection above the segment AB as point C and the point of intersection below the segment AB as point D. Let's draw line CD. Now name the point of intersection of line CD and segment AB as M. Line CD is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Let's show that angle CMA is a right angle and also show that length of AM is equal to length of MB. 2. 6.7 centimeters. First, let us draw the line segment PQ of length 6.7 centimeters. Let's take more than half the distance of the length of the line segment in compass. Now, keeping the steel point of compass on point P, let's draw two arcs on each side of the segment PQ. Keeping the same distance in compass and placing the steel point on point Q, let us draw two arcs to cut the previous arcs, like this. Let's name the point of intersection above the segment PQ as point R and the point of intersection below the segment PQ as S. Now let's draw line RS. Now let us name the point of intersection of line RS and segment PQ as T. Line RS is the perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. So let's show angle RTP as right angle and length PT equal to length TQ. 3. 3.8 centimeters. First, let us draw the line segment LM of length 3.8 centimeters. Let's take more than half the distance of the length of line segment in compass. Keeping the steel point of compass on point L, let's draw two arcs on each side of segment LM. Now keeping the same distance in compass and placing the steel point on point M, let's draw two arcs to cut the previous arcs. Now let's name the point of intersection above the segment LM as point X and the point of intersection below the segment LM as point Y. Now let's draw line XY. Now name the point of intersection of line XY and segment LM as A. Line XY is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment LM. So let's show angle LAX as right angle and let us show length LA equal to length AM. Question number 2. Draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. Question number 1. 105 degrees. Let us draw an angle WXY measuring 105 degrees. Taking a suitable span and keeping the point of the compass on point X,
Let us draw arcs on the ray XW and ray XY. These arcs will intersect the rays in points T and U respectively. Now taking suitable span and T as the center, let us draw an arc here. Keeping the same span and U as the center, let us draw an arc which will intersect the earlier arc in point Z. Now let us draw ray XZ. This ray XZ is the bisector of angle WXY. (55°). Let us draw angle EFG which measures 55 degrees. We shall mention the measure of the angle. Now, taking a suitable span, we shall keep the point of compass on point F and mark the arcs on ray FE and ray FG. These arcs will intersect the rays in the points A and B respectively. Now again taking a suitable span and A as the center, let us draw an arc here. With the same span and B as the center, let us draw an arc which will intersect the earlier arc in H. Now let us draw ray FH. This ray is the bisector of angle EFG.